home saying, "Hi, it's Dana, please molest me." So.
Alright, well, okay, here's the situation. Come here. This dipshit called my house.
Because I had the number of
And no one thought maybe to ask somebody else, like Dara, maybe for my cell phone number. Can you believe this?
Look at my phone.
Go towards the light. Guys, go towards the light.
Give me that. Give me?
Fine.
Alright.
Wonderful.
Wait. Okay, where is it? Dana? Say hi.
Hi.
Scott?
Fuck you.
We are now entering the premises of Starbucks. Wait, where's the sign? Hold on. I'm sorry. Wait. That's the Starbucks sign. You really can't, actually you can see it, but that's not the point. This is Afterface.
You suck at life.
No, Patrick's supposed to suck at life.
You suck at life.
No, I thought Patrick was
should have
supposed
been a blowjob.
Oh. Someone said that to me.
The better part of you ran down your mom's legs.
What?
The better part of you ran down your mother's legs.
I want to go cry now.